This is going to be mini test number 13. I figured it's been a it's been a while since I've done one of these, so why not? So, yeah. And for pull station, we have the 4251-40, as you can see right now. And nothing's on this zone, and nothing's on this zone. And I forgot to mention, I did label them as zones. And you would know if you saw the, if you did a request for my requested system tests. Which, by the way, I have 3 requests right now, and I'm still taking more requests. So, whenever you want to request a system test, go ahead and do so. And let's go up to see our notification device. On this bundle of wires, we got well, it looks similar to the last system test, but it's actually something different. First of all, this is the Faraday 6120, and second of all, this is not the light plate. This is in fact, get it up, I know I'm not on the tripod, the strobe plate. And yeah, you'll see I label that as NAC 1. Which NAC stands for Notification Appliance Circuit. I think so. But this is sort of what would happen if you were to do this on a panel. It'd be a NAC and zones. And if it were an addressable panel, it'd be SLC loops. And something else, but yeah. And this is a zone because this is a smoke detector, and smoke detectors are basically just like pull stations, and yes, it's on. But I'm not going to be doing this. But yeah, so it's fairly short. I mean, all we're focusing on is this straight line. So I'm going to turn up the fan while I'm still standing up, and I'll make a quick announcement when I'm done. So, without further ado, let me get my hearing protection on. And I'm trying to do this with just one hand. Okay. There's the key. And we're going to pull it. In 3, 2, 1. Focus. That is really loud. Wow. And now I'm going to touch those wires together real quickly. And turn off the light. Here, I'll let you focus on the signal. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Again, this is a mini test, so unlike system tests, yeah, you know the drill. And I do allow requested mini tests, which I think some of you guys already know that, but the system's not on, so I'll pull it. I like this pull station. And speaking of pull stations, I am selling one, as a matter of fact. And right next to that I'm also selling something else. So this is the announcement. I'm going to turn down the fan. Okay, so I am selling my BG12S, by the way. I I figured since I already have a BG12, I figured, well, it's time to say goodbye to one and let one go. So, if you want this BG12, check out my eBay page. And right next to that, I am also selling a Faraday 6120. Since I actually had 3, as most of you guys know, but I'm keeping that Faraday 6120, and the other one is, well, technically my 9838, because the 9838, again, is just essentially this horn, which is probably why some of you thought this is, well, sounds exactly like a 9838, the one that people are most used to. And yeah, so check out these 2 listings on my eBay page, which is in the description below. Well, it's in my about page. Okay. And still have my panel, if anybody wants to know. Yeah, I taped the key, which I think I said that before, but I have no clue what's going to happen to this panel. I will let you guys know if I so happen to put this panel on eBay. I'm trying something out right now. We're going to have to see. Who knows what's going to happen to this panel. Hopefully, though, we'll get a real panel going, which will be awesome. And, on top of that, you guys can start requesting codes. Hopefully codes like March time, which is the one code that I'd really like to see. Especially for that signal up there. You know what I mean. And, well, one last thing. If you didn't see Requested System Test 24, I made a challenge. Well, it's not necessarily a challenge, but I also mentioned this in the discussion. So, you probably know what I'm going to say. So, if you don't want to, let me just spit it out. If you guys can get me to 100 subscribers, I will do a live stream and, for the first time, show my face. Isn't that something? But I have something even more special for when I get 1,000 subscribers. If I get 1,000 subscribers, there is a chance where I might start giving away a fire alarm. That probably excited a couple of you folks, maybe. But, again, keep subscribing. Keep watching my videos. You know I try really hard to make good fire alarm content, and good feedback really fuels my fire alarm content. But, all stuff aside, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video, and peace out. Goodbye.